Hi everyone, I would like to show you the second tutorial which presented in our paper. Just maximize the window. Okay. From the left hand side you can see IDE. It has component main controller. Main controller has different ports. Each port specified in the way that it has a range of the values and unit here, like emitters, for example, for first, I don't know, like 8 ports. Then all the components inside the controller connected through the ports. You can see it here, all these connections. And in general here we just have 3 components. From the right hand side in the IDE you can see all these connectors here between the components, subcomponents which we have, and all ports that we have in this main controller. Very useful. From the right hand side we can see actually the test, this maneuverability test. It has a task description, has a nice picture how the car should run between conusses. Then we have the solution here for demonstration purposes only, and then take a look on the simulator. Now it has already compiled controller. Then let's try to run it. Okay, start. Okay, it moves smoothly between conusses. Okay, nice. You can see trajectory directly here. Okay, past the last one and stop. Okay, now try to reset it and try to use a little bit play with noise. Okay, let's put the noise around, I don't know, maybe 5%. It means that each sensor will have something like 5% in accuracy in measurements. Okay, let's start it. Okay, first one, not bad. Second one. Okay, third one already failed. Okay, the problem is that this controller in general is pretty simple. It doesn't have any like technique which can help to prevent these problems with the noise here. This controller was designed just for demonstration purposes, just okay. And then we can just reset the simulator here. Okay, then you can see that we can adjust the noise for the controller. Here, see the trajectory and have this nice IDE where all the syntaxes is highlighted. Yes. Okay, thank you for watching and bye.